1, 2, 3, Colombia.
Hey, we got that down pat. But we're going to sneak in behind this fishing vessel while they're opening the bridge up for him, so hopefully we don't get in trouble. I feel absolutely sick this afternoon, and it's not seasickness. We have lost our tender. Do you want to say anything? See you later maybe?
Yeah, just lots of words right now.
Very bright. Good morning.
Good morning.
It is so bright, I cannot see anything. Thank you, that actually makes a little bit of a difference. This morning we are going to go to the main town in Curacao called Punda, and we're going to check out. And
Thoughts?
my thoughts are very happy and very excited about moving on. We're gonna check out, and then we're gonna sail to the north side of this island to an anchorage called Santa Cruz, and then we are going to sleep the night, which is completely okay, and we're gonna leave the next day, tomorrow.
And sail to
Santa
Marta, Colombia.
Colombia!
Hey.
Colombia! Hey! What are we clicking fingers for? Okay.
It's like salsa. Hey!
Hey. Colombia!
Hey! Oh,
Hey.
1, 2, 3, Colombia.
Hey, we got that down pat. While I've got you here guys, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and push that bell if you want to keep up to date with what we're doing.
What are we doing, Karen?
We are going into Punda, the main town in Curacao. We're going to get this bridge to open up. We saw it happen when we came for a walk through here. So it's going to be kind of exciting to see it open up for us. And we're going to try and check it out. Upon trying to enter the port to check out, we were informed that the bridge and the port is not open to pleasure crafts without bookings. Regardless, we decided to sail to our next destination anchorage of Santa Cruz, but did not make it without losing one very important crew member. I feel absolutely sick this afternoon, and it's not seasickness. We have lost our tender off the back of the boat. We were 4 hours into a sail, and we've gone back through some footage, and we have actually located a time where we didn't have it. So it was somewhere in the first hour or two of sailing that it's been detached from the boat, and we've just kept sailing. We've motored back for an hour and a half, like full ball, backtracking our tracks. And we've been searching every horizon. We've probably motored the better half of 15 miles upwind. I've put out numerous radio calls. I've tried so many things. But yeah, this Highfield 2.9 tender was brand new. We were just doing some photos and video footage of it just 2 days ago, and it's a huge blow. It's an absolutely huge blow. It really puts in doubts the Panama Canal crossing, because Panama Canal is going to be a fair chunk of change, and if we have to buy a new tender, well then it sets us back massively. Huge. I'm going to put a few more radio calls out this evening and see if anybody's seen it or found it. Isabel's just up the front with some dolphins, and I think she's keeping an eye out for it right now. But babe, the dolphins are gone. Do you want to say anything? See you later, maybe.
Yeah, just lots of words right now.
Looking for 4 hours for Ralph, we gave up right on sunset, and we returned to Spanish waters to assess what to do next.
Good morning.
Good morning, guys. The last footage you would have seen is us sailing up and down the Curacao coastline looking for our tender.
A tiny bit frustrated.
Very, very frustrated and very sad. That tender was 4 months old, and it affected us quite greatly, and picking up the camera was not really our first priority at the time, was it?
It was quite difficult.
It's very difficult. So we have motored back to the very protected Spanish waters, and so we've kind of regrouped yesterday and this morning. We've kind of made a lot of plans because we can't really afford to do the Panama Canal and buy a new tender. That's how tight our budget is. Yesterday I put up the tender. I put up a photo of the tender on a Facebook group, and somebody has actually got back to me. One of the Coast Guards here in Curacao has got back to us, and there is a chance that this tender could be ours.
It might be ours, yeah. We don't want to get our hopes up just yet, but seeing that he sent a message to you and saying, yeah, this might be your tender. Oof. Yeah, we're just waiting for a message from him now. Really, really hoping that it's our Ralph.
We have been getting on and off the boat with the sup. Isabel and myself on a one-man sup is a bit of an experience, especially with the laptop and the phones and everything.
Yeah.
So we're going to go do that now and paddle into shore and get some internet and see if this tender is ours. We have our fingers crossed so much. This is basically it's a result which could define us as staying here in the Caribbean or actually continuing on with our plans through the canal and across the Pacific. Alright.
Okay. Let's see.
Let's see. Ready? This morning I have spoken to the Coast Guard. He seems to think that their tender in their possession is actually Ralph, is our tender.
Still, fingers crossed. When we have him in our care, then I can celebrate.
I think it's him, and I can't express the weight off my shoulders.
No.
We were assessing a lot of different options over the last couple of days since we lost him, and
It's not been fun.
no. So we're gonna go motor around to the port today. They didn't let us in the other day because pleasure craft such as yachts are not allowed in unless you have a booking. So today I talked to the Coast Guard and he said they'll let us in. so we can pick up our tender, and hopefully we're going to check out at the same time. So that's the plan.
Yeah. So wish us luck, and
hopefully we'll be reunited with our Ralph.
oh, how good.
So we have just snuck in behind this boat. We cannot contact the Coast Guard, I'm not sure why, but we're going to sneak in behind this fishing vessel while they're opening the bridge up for him, so hopefully we don't get in trouble.
Happy chappy?
It's opening. There must be a bigger ship coming in.
Hey?
I wonder what's coming in. The Coast Guard, maybe.
No, they weren't past us.
Maybe. Nah,
Happy?
this is awesome. so fun. After talking with the Coast Guard, we found out that Ralph had been drifting 2 miles offshore. He had been picked up by a local tour boat, which turned him into the Coast Guard, quite luckily for us. We can't express how thankful we are to this individual for picking him up and handing him in.
So you know where we're going, yeah?
I have a rough idea. If we're wrong, then we'll just ask somebody for directions. Oh, look at that. I got the dinghy right there. How are you?
Good, how are you guys?
Very good, very good. It was easy. It was easy.
That's your dinghy, right?
Yes. Yeah. What?
You look better than ever.
What a stressful couple of days.
Oh,
He's never looked so good, to be honest.
I feel like I can sleep now for a couple hours.
That almost was a trip ruiner, that was.
Yeah. Almost the end of our YouTube channel just then. Good afternoon.
Hey guys. This is the moment in the episode right at the end where we thank our patrons. Thank the people that's making this possible. And by golly, we've got a few today.
Oh,
By golly, I just said by golly.
by golly. I've never heard you say that before.
By golly, it's just a camera. It's just having all these people around. It's just giving me some new words.
We are beyond grateful for the support that we've had the last weeks. It has been truly, truly amazing, and we really want to shout out our new patrons, our new crew.
Oh, please listen for your names right now. We want to give a special thanks to just everybody that's kind of kicked in the last couple of weeks. Simon B, David D, Marcus RW, JC, Sunny L, Michael C. I've had a good chat with Michael C. He's rated some great stuff. Federico S, Patrice D, Douglas C, Christian H. But wait, there's more.
Scott G, Julian M, James C, Dan from Newcastle,
Yes, been chatting to Dan.
Jan M, Colin J, and Dan. Super, super, super grateful.
Oh, you guys are killing it. You guys are absolutely killing it. We can't thank you so much. We can't say our appreciation. Well, we can. That's what we're trying to do. I'm struggling to do it right now.
These smiling faces are because of you guys.
You're making it possible. Cheers, guys.